Hey guys, my name is Imran, and welcome to my channel. Before we get right into the video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will do my best to reply to your comments. So let's take a look at Xiaomi's amazing true wireless charging technology. Xiaomi introduced Mi Air Charge technology this Friday. According to the company, remote charging technology can charge multiple devices simultaneously, and will recharge a smartphone that's being used while walking around, or even when something's in the way. The company outlines how the technology works in a blog post. The transmitter looks quite large as perhaps a living room side table next to a couch. The transmitter can provide a 5 watts charge wirelessly to a smartphone. This kind of charging has nothing to do with the Qi standard. The smartphones need to be outfitted with a miniaturized antenna array, with built-in beacon antenna and receiving antenna array. The smartphone has 144 antennas to convert a millimeter wave signal that's emitted by the charging pile. Then the signal is converted into electric energy through a rectifier circuit. In its current state, Xiaomi's remote charging technology can charge multiple devices with a 5 watts current within a radius of several meters. Xiaomi claims that physical objects don't reduce the charging efficiency. Xiaomi teases that its Mi Air Charge tech would be eventually compatible with smartwatches, fitness bands, and other wearables. Well, let's hope for the best and see what happens. I will catch you guys on the next video.